Hello and welcome back. Today's video is 5 things I'm thankful for. So the first thing I'm grateful for is my membership in the Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. Without it, I wouldn't be who I am and I wouldn't be where I am. There are so many of the teachings and things like that that have sustained me and the people that have sustained me through the hardest times of my life. They have given me strength to keep going when things seemed impossible and to keep pushing forward, have given me hope and happiness. I could go on and on. And I can say the same thing about my children. I've seen the difference that if they choose to live the principles of the gospel, and even when they don't, as they at least believe, that it makes in their lives. I don't go into it much on this channel because I don't want to push it on other people, but I have mentioned it off and on. My second thing is my family. My parents, for all they did and taught to me, and the example they were. They likely both have HEDS also. And yet they went through and life and still are not diagnosed. But there's enough symptoms and enough other things that indicate they likely do have HEDS. So that's been huge. Along with that, the 7 siblings that I have from them. Well, there's many times we argue and we have issues with each other and things like that. There are things I am grateful for each one of them, and that I miss when we aren't getting along, or I haven't been able to talk to them for a long time, stuff like that. Yes, there are some I'm closer to than others, but I still am grateful for each one of my siblings. Then my children, all of my children, that all includes my stepchildren and my natural children from both of my marriages. When I am not with them for a long time, I miss them. And I am grateful for each one of them. I love each one of them and appreciate the fact that each one of them has been in my life. And it hurts when I'm not able to be around them for a long time. I have been lucky that my children are still at home, other than the one who ended up being sent home from his mission early because of this. So I haven't been separated from them due to the coronavirus. And that I'm grateful for. But at the same time, even if I was, I would hope that we would be able to contact in other ways. So, along with that, my second husband is amazing. He took me when I was injured, when I was down, and he has become everything that I didn't have in my first marriage, and a lot that I did have. He is an amazing person who really cares about me. The third thing I'm grateful for is my EDS diagnosis. It gave us so many answers for me, my children, my siblings. It has hints for my parents if they would choose to, aunts, uncles, the works. That has been amazing. The third thing I'm grateful for is my friends, especially those who have supported me as we found out about this, those who have donated to the Ehlers-Danlos Society through my fundraiser that I started during this time, those who, my co-owner of my business, who has encouraged me even as things haven't moved as fast as I would have liked. The fifth probably is my business. Even though we don't have the app created yet, it gives me something to keep fighting for and hoping to be able to share with each one of you. So I hope that tells you a bit more about me, what I'm grateful for, things like that, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you. Bye.